channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another luxury unboxing, and I'm super excited about it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a handbag and a couple of jewelry pieces, my first items from Tiffany & Company, and I'll be sure to link my last luxury unboxing video on the screen and also below so you guys can check that out. But I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a couple of tips on how you can save money on higher end items or name brand items and all that in this video. But let me know if you want a whole dedicated video just for how you save money on luxury, designer, or high-end items. I would love to do a dedicated video to that. But I'm going to share a couple of tips in this video. And one of my favorite ways is called Top Hatter. Huge thank you to them for collaborating with me on this video. But Top Hatter is one of the most exciting shopping websites out there, and that's because they have their auctions that last like 90 seconds, and you get so many great items available for auction on their website. Things like jewelry, clothing, electronics, things for your home, handbags, so many different brands. They even have something called a deal drop where every day different name brand products come on auction, and the auctions start as low as $1. So I actually have used Top Hatter before, and I got an amazing deal on a Coach wallet for 20 something bucks. Like, just really great deals. And if you sign up with my link below, you get a $5 credit to their website that you can use right away. But the auctions are amazing. You get a chance to earn different badges the more you bid and the more auctions you win. It's free to use, free to sign up. You don't actually pay unless you win an auction, but it's super duper fun. It's holiday season. This is the time where we're gonna be buying things for different people. But if you wanna save money on name brand things, Top Hatter is a great way for you to do that. So I'll definitely be sure to link them below. So another way that I like to save money on higher end things, and that is to buy things pre-loved. The whole idea of like going into a designer boutique and paying full price for something, that may excite somebody else, but it doesn't excite me. I love the idea of getting the same bag for half, a third of the price, a quarter of the price, getting things at deep discounts. That's what I'm all about. And if that's what you're all about, you are gonna love this. So I actually have a handbag that's from TheRealReal, and I also have a couple of jewelry pieces that I got from Fashionphile. Now let's grab the boxes and let's unbox them. So I got all these things at different times, so they're all in separate boxes. This is the first box right here that we're going to cut open. Like I said, this is gonna be a real unboxing. You guys are gonna see with me what's in here. So when you open it, it says Fashionphile. Oh, this is so cute! And when you open it, it has like confetti on it, and it also has this right here, which is like a little nail file, and it says, "I like my money where I could see it hanging in my closet." If I'm not mistaken, that's a quote by Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City, and it says Fashionphile on it, which is really cute. So I'm liking the packaging. This is really cute. It says a big thank you card right here, and then it has their little symbol on the back, their little logo. So that's it. And then it also has this little envelope right here. I think this might just be like my my receipt. Yeah, that's what it is. And then it says, "We want your bag back." I think you can, they tell you that you can like sell certain things back to them. It says shop, sell, repeat. And like I said, it's got my statement in here and all that as well. So let's get to it. I like all the branding and all the packaging. It definitely makes it feel like a true experience. So it's coming in this little black box right here, again with their logo on it. Oh, so here it is. You can see it. Oh, this is so nice. So let me, I'm trying to be nice while I'm getting it out of here, but it's like in here wrapped so tightly. So here it is right here. All right, so here's what the bracelet that I got actually looks like. It's just really cute. It's this sterling silver beaded bracelet. It's from Tiffany. I absolutely love the way that it looks. I'm trying to get a nice little stack going. I ended up getting this bracelet when I was in Mexico last month, and this ring as well. They're both sterling silver. And the handbag that I got has silver hardware on it, which is why I want to get more silver pieces to add to it. But I really love this little bracelet. So the packaging on that was really beautiful. It even has its own little dust bag that you can put the bracelet in as well. And it has this little tag right here on it that says, remove the tag and own the bag. I don't actually have a bag, but I know that they definitely want me to cut this off if I plan on returning it. And yeah, and it also has this certificate on it, which is a certificate of authenticity. And it says Tiffany Sterling Silver 10mm hardware ball bracelet. So that's how I kind of know that it's, you know, authenticated. One of the things that I like about Fashionphile is that Fashionphile authenticates, and now they're in partnership with Neiman Marcus. I know good and well this brand would definitely be selling you authentic items if they're working with a brand like that. So that definitely gives me a lot more, you know, confidence when I'm ordering from them. So I'm loving this little bracelet. All right, so now let's unbox this bad boy right here and see what we have inside. Now I know what to expect when it comes to the packaging. And again, it has the Fashionphile, it has the confetti, it has the little nail file. I'm not going to go through all this again because you guys just saw it for the last item. But let's get the item out. So here is the item. Oh, now this one actually came with the Tiffany & Company box. That's a nice touch. So let's see. Here is the Fashionphile little dust bag. I like that this one came in the box. That's a nice touch. It'll say that on the website, but I actually forgot. It'll say if it comes with its own pouch or if it comes with the box that it's supposed to come in and all of that. Oh, and here it is right here. So here's what this bracelet looks like close up. I love the little heart tag, please return to Tiffany. It's from their Please Return to Tiffany collection. I actually want to get the heart-shaped earrings that are just like this. I would love to add that to my growing collection, but I really like this little sterling silver little bracelet. I definitely know that I'm going to be removing the tag from this one as well. It said that it was in excellent condition, and look at it. I got a really good deal on both of these. I cannot wait to wear this in an arm stack on my wrist with my new handbag, but I'm loving these two pieces from Fashionphile. All right, so now for the piece de resistance, probably the reason why you're here, and that is finally for the handbag unboxing. So we're gonna cut this bad boy open and we're gonna get my genuine reaction on camera. Like I said, this is from The Real Real, and I got a whole bunch of silver jewelry because this handbag has silver hardware. It's supposed to be in very good condition. So this is how it comes from The Real Real. Has a little pamphlet that says The Real Real, and it also has the authenticity guarantee and my receipt and all that inside. So here is the bag. It has a little dust bag that says The Real Real on it. Let me know in the comment section before I show you guys the handbag, what handbag do you think that I got? And let's look at her together. Right off the bat, I'm not appreciating the fact that they didn't send the bag stuffed. Like, stuffing is cheap. They could have like put some air paper in here or some tissue paper in here, but the bag itself looks to be in really good condition, just like they said. As you guys can see, I have this gray Givenchy Antigona bag. I have it in the size small. So let's take a look at what the inside looks like. See, they do have some air paper in here, but it's not enough. Like, they should have, like, you know, puffed the bag out a little bit. But that's not enough to make me unhappy with it. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. It is beautiful. I just want it to be puffier. So I think I'm just gonna like make sure that I stuff the bag to make sure that the bag is puffy like how I want it to be. Like, I'm stuffing the bag. Like, this is what they should have did. They should have stuffed this bag so the bag came to me all nice and puffy. Now let's see if I like this better. Alright, so see, that's how they should have sent the bag. Not the bag all flat, but this is cute. I love this bag. I got this bag for a steal. Oh my goodness. I think this bag retails for $22.90 if you get it brand new, fresh from the store. I didn't pay $22.90. I didn't pay $2,000. I didn't pay $1,500. I didn't pay $1,000. Girl, I got this bag. I said a steal, honey. This bag right here was one of the best purchases I think I have ever done. I love it. I absolutely love it. It threw me off the bag being all flat and mashed because all they had to do was what I did, which is puff the bag out a little bit, but I love it. So here's the silver hardware that I told you the bag had on it. And she is cute. She has the little leather feet on the bottom. As you guys can see, she's in quite amazing condition. I'm so excited I can barely talk. I love it. I like the big chunky zipper to it. I like that it's a bag that I can hold at the crook of my arm, and it also has a shoulder strap, which makes it easier to do like for shopping and all of that. But I love it. I have this in the pebbled leather. I am in love with the Givenchy Antigona like shape and style of bag. You will see me hopefully in the future get some more of these. I just like these. I also want to get like a black mini one. I want to get other colors. It's just this style is so me. It's elegant, it's classy, it's functional. Oh, I love her. I love her so much. I know people do these unboxings and they act like it's no big deal. It is to me, honey. I saved my coin. I work very hard. I am very happy with everything that I have. I appreciate everything that God has blessed me with. I'm not on here acting like I do this all the time. I don't. But when I do, Lord, I'm grateful. And that's pretty much it. That is it for my luxury unboxing. Huge thank you to Top Hatter for sponsoring this video. I genuinely appreciate that as well. Be sure to go ahead and sign up for their website. Like I said, it's absolutely free to use. You don't pay unless you actually win the auction. And if you use my unique link that I put below in the description box, you get a $5 credit to their website, and you can use that credit right away. So huge thank you to them for that. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey.